I'm Andy Baker from Richard, Montana, and we did the Harlowton Digger Days. It was in conjunction with the Montana Contractors Association, Harlowton Kiwanis. We had the Montana Chamber Foundation, and we have several other contractors that came here today. We have about 13 schools that showed up to get hands-on activities with contractors, with firefighters, construction. We're here for kids so they can find out that there's good paying jobs that are out there if that's something that they want to do when they want to work with their hands, or if they want to pursue a career that doesn't necessarily have to go to college. Barry from the Montana Contractors Association said we should do a dig day, and we'd like to work with Rehire because we pursue career pathways. And so he said that the contractors would be happy to volunteer and do a little pop-up, a 15-minute pop-up with a rotation if we could get the students there. We have about 150 kids show up today. We took half the kids, or half the schools that came in the morning. While the morning kids were working, the afternoon kids were eating, and then we switched over. The afternoon kids got to go out and work with the contractors, and the morning kids got to eat. And that was provided by the Montana Chamber Foundation, and then Harlowton Kiwanis also supplied the desserts and fed the lunch for us. Our one goal is for kids to try something they may like it. Not everybody's going to want to work outside when the wind's blowing like it is in Harlowton today, but a lot of kids say, this is what I was meant to do. And when you walk around and go to the pop-ups, you see the kids running these backhoes, the boring machine, the chainsaws. They're making mitered corners. They're doing all sorts of things. They might say, hey, this is something I really like to do.